Have you ridden a Sportster before?
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay.
So this will be fun.
New experience.
Yeah. That's a little more raw. That's cool. So this is the Harley-Davidson Roadster. Not the Sportster, but the Roadster. This is so not what I think of when I think of a Harley. It's got mid controls and a slightly hunched forward riding position. So this is actually kind of sporty, strangely enough. Okay, I've got a car behind me, so this light might actually change for me. This is about as different from the Limited as you could get. While the Limited was soft, cushy, and I could easily go across the United States on it, this seems more raw. I could tell that as soon as I started it up. Nice sound to it. Five-speed transmission, not a 6 like the Limited. I do feel a little bit cramped in the legs with these mid controls, but there is a forward control kit you can put on here that would fix that. I sat on one in the lot and that felt a little better. But mid controls might be better if you want to attack the twisties, which is kind of what you get a bike like this for. It feels like it has a little more get up and go than the Limited. I didn't have a chance to look at the engine size as compared to the Limited, but obviously it's a much smaller bike. There's nothing to it. The thing's naked and not at all what you often think of when you think of a Harley. One problem I see right away, or actually don't see, is while I can see the tap just fine, I can't see the speedometer. So I could get myself into big trouble on this thing. I put the sun visor up. No, I still can't see my speed. That can make life interesting. It's a little odd to me to be riding a bike of this type, but have the Harley controls, like the turn signal buttons and stuff like that. Now I know Harley has the Sportster and all of that. They don't just do the big cushy touring bikes, but I'm not really used to thinking of a Harley as something to go screw around on, hooligan style. But this bike might be it. They recommended the Roadster for me rather than the Sportster because I'm 6 feet tall and it would be a better fit for me. And even now it is a little bit cramped, but not bad. This bike's a whole lot more eager to attack the twisties than the Limited, of course. Am I recording? Yep.
Of Sportsters,
yep.
372s over there.
Okay.
So like the higher tank with the mini apes, forward controls, I love it.
That could be fun too. Yeah, I do like the forward controls, so I might want to do that too.
Yeah.